I wasn't going to make this video, but I made it to motivate me and to motivate you as well. But without sacrifice, it's going to be a dream forever. They forget that you have a purpose in your life. They don't teach you to have a purpose. You're playing it safe. In your 20s, if you don't have any type of skills, you're gonna get fucked the whole life.
Yesterday, I almost slept all the night yesterday because I was really tired. But I had to, wake up earlier. I woke up at 2 a.m. just to, study for some exams I had. And also, I regret that I'm not gonna be able to post a video today on YouTube this time. I didn't push myself hard, so I don't want you guys to do this. I was really busy these days because I have some midterms, and I will get back next week.
Hey, so earlier today in this morning, I thought to myself, and I actually made a video of me actually apologizing for not making this weekly video of mine that I've actually promised myself that I will make one video every week, and I've been making that for around 2 months now. But today, because I had a lot of actually these 2 weeks I have a lot of midterm exams and shit. I also have to travel 2 hours from my place to the college and the same time back when I get home. So I actually thought that I couldn't do it. And I actually wanted to share this story with you guys that you can do a lot. I believe, from this moment, I fucking believe that you can do everything you want. When I was back home, I heard this motivational speech from Walter Bond, and he said that the difference between a good guy and a great guy is the good guy only does what he thinks he could every day. But the great guy pushes himself beyond his daily limitations to get better. Meaning, if you read one book every day, which is fucking hard for me, if you do this, the next day you push yourself to read 2 books and 3 books the other day. You keep pushing yourself forward to improve yourself, to be great. That's the sacrifice to be great. And I thought to myself that I'm gonna be fucking great. I know that I wasn't going to make this video, but I made it. It's for me and for you guys. It's for me and for you, to motivate me and to motivate you as well. Because I really know that you have a lot of things in your life that you want to do. But without sacrifice, it's going to be a dream forever. It's going to be a fucking dream forever. If you don't work for it, if you don't sacrifice for it, you're not going to get any fucking result. I'm really disappointed. In my university, I've had arguments with a lot of people that are actually still having a 9-to-5 job. I know not many people have the skill set mindset that I'm gonna tell you about today, but I was really disappointed. The conventional thinking that we get from our parents that you have to be an engineer or a fucking doctor or a professor or a physician, for example, whatever the fuck they want you to be, and they forget that you have a purpose in your life. They don't teach you to have a purpose. You're playing it safe. In your 20s, if you don't have any type of skills, you're gonna get fucked the whole life. Your entire life is gonna get fucked if you don't have a skill. If you don't have a skill mindset. A skill mindset, I'm gonna tell you what is the skill mindset that I actually believe in. If you don't have a skill set that pays you at least $10,000 per month, then you will be stuck in the rat race forever. Your whole life is gonna get fucked forever. Imagine yourself having a job until you are like 65 or something, and you say, when the fuck am I gonna rest? You've been working all this time, and you will be fucked at that age. You'll be fed up with life. You're gonna say to yourself, oh my God, I've been spending like 30 years of working so hard to get, to feed my kids and my wife, and I've been working so hard all my life. I never had a fucking break. Imagine that's you in your 60s. If you don't work in your 20s, you'll be this man. I swear to God, you will be this fucking guy. And imagine how many disappointments you will have. Imagine if you died before achieving what you wanted in life. How hard is that? And if you are fucking lazy now, when are you going to make it? You are in your 20s, you must start working your butt off. Are you going to be stuck in a job that you don't actually believe, or you don't actually know if when the boss will fire you? Do you think this job will last forever? Do you think because you have had this great degree of a doctor or an engineer or whatever the fuck the degree is, that you will be successful? Yes, you might be successful in these, but you will get fucked by your boss, by your fucking job. Imagine if you lose this job and you don't have any skill set. You will get fucked. If you have a skill and your boss fires you, you can depend on your skill. By a skill, I mean like a high income skill, not a skill of cleaning bedrooms, for example. That's not a high income skill. What I mean by skill is skills like, web development, graphic design, copywriting, closing, speaking. All of these are high income skills. You gotta find your passion, your skill. Your skill will pay you off. Your skill will give you the life that you want. If you don't have skills, if you are in your 20s and you don't have a skill and you don't have a skill mindset, then you will never ever be successful. You will never be successful. What you need to be successful is two things: skill set and mindset. You can have the best skill set in the world, and if your mindset is 9-to-5 job, you will get fucked. You will still get fucked. You need a mentality of a successful, skillful man. I believe only three things that will make you a successful man. The first thing is, as I said, skill set, mindset, and opportunity. And opportunity will never come to you if you don't have the skill set and the mindset. And opportunity will never come to you if you're not even working. So my suggestion for you and my advice for you is to go now, after this video, after watching this video, go and you work your butt off and you find your skill set and you start working right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not any fucking day. Today, now, after watching this video, you close the fucking video and you subscribe and you like the video and you share with your friends that might also have a 9-to-5 job mentality, and close it, find your passion, and comment below what is your passion in life. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.